Most people, when they think they're getting, or they know they're getting divorced, or the divorce becomes a part of their life, they immediately run out, hire an attorney, and start their education process on the divorce with the attorney. And that becomes their sole source of divorce. Now, remember, I am a divorce attorney, and I am telling you that is probably not the best way to get educated on divorce. And that's one of the things I say quite a bit, and some of my colleagues may not be very happy with me, but there are much better places to get your information before you go out and hire that attorney, so that you make sure you hire the correct attorney, so that you make sure you move through the process properly, so that you know the questions to ask your attorney, and you know how to start moving through that process, so it doesn't feel like the deep dark hole that you and I were just talking about.